The biggest bottleneck in your business isn't a lack of capital or ideas, it's your biological clock. While you sleep, the market moves. While you're in meetings, your profit margins are leaking. We've been stuck in linear scaling, where 1 hour of human work equals 1 hour of result. But today, we're moving to asymmetric execution.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
I've spent the last week stress testing a system that doesn't just chat, it extracts profit from the global market on autopilot. It's called Accio Work. This is an agentic AI infrastructure that allows you to deploy a specialized boardroom of agents to build, source, and market in parallel. This is the end of human drag and the beginning of automated wealth generation. I'm talking about a system that identifies high-margin gaps, vets suppliers, and launches distribution channels simultaneously. It's not just a tool, it's a monetization engine. Let me show you how to build a global revenue infrastructure that actually makes money while you stay offline. Let's be real for a second. Starting an online business sounds simple, but when you actually try, you get stuck immediately. You don't know what product to choose. You don't know if it's trending. You don't know where to find suppliers you can trust. So what do most people do? They open like 10 tabs, watch random videos, and end up more confused than when they started. That's where Accio Work changes the game. Instead of you doing all the work, you just ask. Because this isn't just a chatbot like Claude Cowork. This is an agent team built specifically for real business. Let's dive into the Accio Work desktop app. At first glance, the dashboard is deceptively simple. You see the central search bar. Most people use it for a quick query. But today, I'm showing you the pro-level move, how to transition from a search to a full-scale deployment. Inside Accio Work, you aren't just chatting with a single LLM. You are orchestrating specialized business agents. Think of it as a pre-vetted board of experts. If you're building a brand, you don't ask a general AI. You deploy the Shopify dropshipper agent. It comes hardwired with pre-installed business skills specifically engineered for e-commerce execution. The real difference? Data integrity. This infrastructure is powered by Alibaba.com's 26-year B2B data moat, 1 billion products, and 50 million real-world business profiles. This keeps Accio Work grounded in real transaction history, not just web-scraped text, so it doesn't make things up or guess. So when we ask how to launch a premium fitness brand, we're not just looking for information. We're dispatching an agent team to build the supply chain, the digital storefront, and the outreach strategy in parallel. Let's trigger the first master command. My prompt is, act as my AI operations boardroom. Objective, identify a high-margin fitness product under $20 and execute a 30-day launch strategy. Most people chat with AI. I give execution orders. One prompt triggers 4 specialized agents working in parallel. Watch the sidebar, and it's not a chatbot, it's a boardroom in motion. Sourcing agent isn't just Googling, it's tapping into real transaction data to vet suppliers. Meanwhile, the marketing agent is already building a complete Shopify landing page, a 30-day TikTok content plan, no copy pasting, no creative block. At the same time, the outreach agent is building your distribution network, drafting emails and identifying real business partners. This is the real flex. While I'm still recording this video, my AI team is already working. Then everything syncs to Telegram. I receive the full business blueprint, supplier quotes, total human time invested, just minutes. This is how you monetize at scale, without human drag. Within minutes, you get product ideas, pricing insights, demand data, supplier options, and a marketing plan, not random outputs, structured execution. Here's where it gets really powerful. Let's say you have a simple idea, like a portable blender for gym users. Normally, you'd have to search competitors, compare prices, find suppliers, and check demand. But here, you type it once, and everything starts building around it. It shows you popularity, competitor landscape, pricing strategy, supplier options, and then you move straight into product development. You can even generate product concepts, visuals, positioning, so instead of copying, You actually differentiate. Now, this is the part most tools don't cover: selling. Finding a product is one thing, but marketing it, that's where it gets messy. Here, you can generate product descriptions, ad copy, campaign ideas, launch strategies. So instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to write, you already have a starting point. And no, it's not perfect. You still need to tweak things, add your own creativity, but it removes that initial friction that stops most people. And the craziest part? You don't even need to stay at your computer. You can send instructions through Telegram and your AI team just keeps working in the background. It's basically like managing a remote team, except this one works 24/7, never sleeps, and never misses a task. So here's the honest truth. Accio Work won't replace your creativity or ambition, but it will give you an AI team that works nonstop. It saves you hours, even days of guesswork. It helps you move faster, test ideas quicker, and actually take action. And right now, speed is everything. Compared to generic AI tools like Claude Cowork, Accio Work understands real business workflows and runs in a secure sandbox environment, which is why it's built for entrepreneurs and SMEs. If you want to try it, download Accio Work for desktop and unlock bonus credits via the link in the description. Share your results in the comments. I want to see what your AI team builds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.